Well, just want to show you this Adler Tippa. Just want to show how it types and so on. Just to point out, there's a slight ding there. Nothing too noticeable, but it is there. It's got a slight bend right there. Must have had a ding or something that bumped it or something. But otherwise, it's still in a very good mechanical condition. It types okay. I made a few errors there with setting it up, but it does go alright. So let's just go through the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not 100% sure how. Oops. Okay. How to set it up properly on with the guides and all that, but yeah, you might know more about that. For me, this is just an illustration. I'm selling this. I just want to show you, this is not the original ribbon either. I took this off another typewriter that I have, so it's not 100% fit. So this is really for illustrative purposes. So I took this off a Letterer 22, Olivetti Letterer 22, and it doesn't fit 100%, but it does help with let me keep that open so that you can see. So let's go through let's change the color to black and go through some maybe some letters, and we can do the normal Q, T, try some there. It does that as well. We can do the caps. Sorry, I missed the letter there. There we go. So it probably needs a bit of adjustment there. At the top, if you look at the caps, it probably needs a little bit of an adjustment, which I'm sure isn't too difficult to do if you're interested in these sort of things. And then, yeah, taking it, maybe that is a slightly lighter grayish color. Yeah, and back to the red. Yeah, so it seems to be working okay. Perhaps you see potential in it and want to buy it, but this is just to give you a short illustration. Thank you for viewing this.